This kit comes with a 2-door access control panel, 2 indoor and outdoor card readers, 2 indoor no-touch exit buttons, 10 cards, and 10 key tags. The indoor and outdoor card reader comes in black color and in white color. With an access control panel or controller, you can monitor all your systems using the Titan BS Access software. You can receive notifications for card reader tamper alarms, unsecured door alarms, forced entry alarms, and more. The software also includes time and attendance features. For example, when someone swipes a card through a reader connected to a panel, this action will appear in your system's reporting software. The 2-door access control panel allows you to manage 2 doors through the Titan software, providing access control features such as access groups, templates, schedules, time and attendance, event logs, and more. It supports up to 20,000 users and stores up to 70,000 records. You can monitor and control your doors directly through the Titan software. The software can only be installed on computers running Microsoft Windows. It is not compatible with Mac OS. The VIS 3100 entry device is an IP66-rated proximity card reader designed for reliable performance both indoors and outdoors. This hardwired device works exclusively with a Wiegand controller system, reading EM format cards and key tags. With user access managed entirely by your controller, the VIS 3100 ensures secure and convenient entry control. Typically installed on the exterior side of the control door, this entry device provides robust, weather-resistant access control in any environment. The VIS 7013 Indoor No-Touch Request-to-Exit button offers efficient, hygienic door access control. Activate doors effortlessly by waving your hand within its 5 to 15 centimeter infrared detection range, eliminating physical contact. This durable button features a sleek stainless steel finish, a customizable delay from 0.5 to 22 seconds, and clear LED indicators, blue when idle, green when activated. Compatible with NC, NO, and COM outputs, it integrates seamlessly with most access control systems, ideal for busy environments. A proximity card, or Prox card, is a contactless smart card used to securely open doors without inserting it into a reader. Ideal for offices and restricted areas, these cards provide easy and reliable access control. Key tags, or key fobs, function similarly, using a 125 kHz frequency, EM. The main differences are their compact size and convenient portability. With this kit, you can unlock the door using the card reader, exit button, a proximity card or key tag, or through the included Titan software. Our products come with a warranty of up to 3 years, giving you extra peace of mind with your purchase. Get your networkable software kit here. fpc-security.com/software-kits.